Welcome to Tenon. Today I will show you our A2 push-pull smart door lock. It can support 4 unlocking ways: fingerprint, password, card, and mechanical key. Its fingerprint is on the back side of the handle. You can open it by the password. Meanwhile, it can also with the anti-peep function. You can add any number before or after the real number. Any smart IC card with the same frequency can be used on this lock. For fingerprint, password, and card, and it can support 100 users in total. If the electronic parts don't work, you can open the lock by the mechanical key. This start key is to go back. This pump key is to conform. You can press this start key twice to turn on the mute mode to close the voice. When you click it twice again, you can turn off it again. Double-click the pump key to enter the setting mode, and then verify the administrator finger or password.
Press 1 to register user, press 2 to delete user, press 3 to set system, press 4 to check system information, press star key to log out system.
Double-click the pump key and verify the administrator finger or password. Press 3 and press 3 again to clear all records and all settings, and set it to the factory mode again. Its mortise lock is made of stainless steel. This is the wind latch, this is the safety latch, and this is the sensor latch. Once you press this sensor latch, the safety latch would go out. There are 2 quick unlocking buttons on the back side. The other one, quick unlocking, is on the back side of the handle. You can press it and unlock it quickly. When the quick unlocking button don't work or the electronic part failed, you can also turn the knob to unlock it quickly.